Understanding how to tag items with RFID technology can be a complex endeavor for many organizations. The process involves navigating various tag types, placement strategies, and integration with existing systems, which can be overwhelming, especially for those new to the technology. Additionally, factors such as the environmental conditions in which the tags will be used, the materials of items being tagged, and the specific operational goals can further complicate the decision-making process. This complexity often leads to confusion about the best practices for implementing RFID tagging effectively, highlighting the need for clear guidance and informed decision-making to maximize the benefits of this powerful technology. Today, let's discuss the key aspects in determining your own tagging strategy. Creating an efficient RFID tagging strategy with passive RFID tags involves several key steps. Assess needs. Identify organizational challenges and processes that could benefit from RFID, like inventory management and asset tracking. Define objectives. Set clear, measurable goals for RFID implementation, such as reducing inventory discrepancies and enhancing supply chain efficiency. Select RFID tags. Choose tags based on application needs. On metal, for metal assets. Gorilla tags, rugged for construction. Laundry and garment tags, soft and flexible for textiles. Cable tags, for tracking cables. Hang tags, retail inventory management or clothing. Small form factor tags, compact options for limited surface area. Develop tagging process. Create guidelines for tag placement and application procedures, and train staff on handling. Integration. Ensure compatibility with existing systems like inventory management or ERP for seamless data flow. Pilot testing. Implement RFID in a specific area, monitor performance, and gather data on read rates and accuracy. Evaluate and optimize. Continuously review the strategy based on user feedback and performance metrics, and make necessary adjustments. A well-structured RFID tagging strategy can significantly enhance operational efficiency and asset management by aligning needs, objectives, and technology.